This is Mark from the Amboy store. We're going to talk about the Flagship cleaning system checks and settings. So probably some of the things you want to look at is this drive belt for the cleaning system. Check your bearing back in here. Of course, check bushings depending on how many hours you have on the machine. Just make sure everything's rolling over smooth, nothing's cracking out of place. Belt's cracked, replace that. Check your cleaning system inside. Check your drain pan for cracks and your sieves. For your chopper speed, or for your chopper knives, you're going to adjust them right here for corn and beans. And then also your chopper speed is right here, your shift collar, high for beans, low for corn. And then again, check your bushings back in here, just make sure they're all in good shape. Also, there's a roller back underneath here. Usually the right side will wear a flat spot, but check them both. They're both replaceable, so your self-leveling sieves stay moving correctly. Okay, so your spreaders in the back, things to check there is what we call the whale's tail underneath the divider. Make sure there's no cracks in that from vibration, especially if you do a lot of corn, you'll see that. The other thing is too is you may not notice the leak, but back and behind here, the motor that drives, you got a motor for each side. They can leak oil, and then all the trash going through will wipe the oil clean, so it's hard to detect the leak. But if it's parked in the shed through the winter and you see oil below the spreader here, more likely one of the motors needs a seal kit or a motor replaced.